how to use ChatGPT for writing homework on mobile. So hello guys, if you want to write your homework using ChatGPT on mobile, how you guys can do that, the video is for educational purpose. So you can use it. So for that, we will simply go to ChatGPT app in our mobile phone. If you guys don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, after that, you need to log in. So I already log in, so I will simply click on ChatGPT. Here you will simply ask anything. So here you will write your homework. Like, first of all, before writing homework, you will tell ChatGPT that I want to write my homework. So you need to help me. So you need to help me. Once you do that, after that, you need to give your homework, and once you do it, ChatGPT will write for that. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.